All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR 11. It says if the number 8.2 times 10 to the 8th is divided by 100, the quotient expressed in scientific notation would be. All right, so we're going to take 8.2 times 10 to the 8th divided by 100. We know in 8th grade our fraction bar can mean divided by. What I think I'll do, there's lots of ways to go about this problem, but what I think I'll do is I'll write 100 in scientific notation. So to write a number in scientific notation, I'm going to keep my 8.2 times 10 to the 8th on top. To put a number in scientific notation, you need the first factor to be greater than or equal to 1, less than 10, and the second factor to be a power of 10. I can make 100 into a power of 10. If I put a base of 10, I know 10 to the second is 100. 10 times 10, or 10 to the second power, is exactly the same as 100. All right, so is there something I could multiply by that by and not change the value? Oh, 10 to the second times 1 is still 10 to the second. So 100 in scientific notation would be 1 times 10 to the second. We know how to divide in scientific notation. We just divide out those first factors. 8.2 divided by 1 is still 8.2. And then what do we do when we have the same base and we're dividing? Same base and you're dividing, keep the base, subtract the exponents. So this is times same base when we divide. We're going to keep that base of 10 and subtract those exponents to 8 minus 2. So our final answer would be 8.2 times 10 to the 8 minus 2 is 6. 8.2 times 10 to the 6th. That's how I go about it. You could also choose to rewrite this number, the original given number, in standard form, divide by 100, then put the quotient back into scientific notation. So I can quick show that if you want. Method 2 would be to take this original number, 8.2 times 10 to the 8th. To write that in standard form, you know you do your 8.2, move that 8 places to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places to the right, and we fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So then you'd have 8, 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So that's 820 million. And we could take that number and then divide it by 100. Well, if you're dividing by 100, you could just cross off that set of zeros, that set of zeros, dividing out by 100. So then I'm left with 8, 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 8, 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 8,200,000. And guess what? If I move this decimal point over to put it back in scientific notation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8.2 times 10 to the 6th. So either put it in everything in scientific notation to divide, or put everything back in standard form to divide. Either way works. Hope that helps.